Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can forget or delete the Bluetooth device on your iPhone. Please friends, write your comments, be sure to put your likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So let us get started with you. And in order to remove or forget the Bluetooth device on your iPhone, you need to make sure that you don't need to pair or connect to the Bluetooth device again in the future. And in order to do that, go to the phone settings on your iPhone and then go to Bluetooth. Now you'll be able to see down here at the bottom here all of the Bluetooth devices that you've previously been connected to. Now navigate to any of those devices by clicking on this sign here. And then at the bottom, click on this button, which is called Forget this device. Confirm your action. And so as you can see, literally immediately your iPhone, it forgets this Bluetooth device that it was connected to. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, write comments, and be sure to put your likes. See you all again.